How to create a post on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a post easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the app, and now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to create a post is go down here and click on this option. And now as you can see here, you will find all the posts, and if you want to create a post, just click here and now write anything you want. For example, I'm just gonna write hi, choose if it is bullish or bearish, and click post. Now as you can see, my post is submitted. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.